Guys, as you can see, I have a letter in my hand here. I just came home and checked the mailbox. So, oh gosh, I'm gonna see, open up my envelope and see if I got into school, because I really want to go back to school and do something more. So make me see. Dear Tiffany, why? Oh my gosh, I'm happy. I am happy, happy, happy. Let me do my happy dance, happy dance. Let me do my happy dance, happy dance.
Okay, a fair.
Hi, can I have a small French vanilla and a plain croissant?
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Sure enough.
Okay. Oh yes. No matter how broke we Canadians be, we always a drink Tim Martins. Okay, we can't do that with Tim Martins or we vacation. Okay, guys. How much?
It's 5:30. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You too. Yes, guys. So I got my coffee. My nice French vanilla. So I'm good to go. Try to get out of this. I'm a nice croissant. Okay, guys, so today I'm just doing a quick little drive by to the college, and as you can see there, the college is right there on your left, Algonquin College. So I'm just going by there to just give you guys a quick little peek. Oh my goodness, guys, the college is looking um so much different from when I came here. I think down here so is where it's called Student Central. Like if you need any information or whatever, you would have to go down here. So you see those two little machines there. So that's what you would put your student number in, and they will call your number. But damn, down here just looks so different. Harvest Room, the lodge. I don't know nothing about those things, people. What? International Education. these hallways are so long. Oh my God. Okay, so around this area, I remember it to be the cafeteria, and it's like the biggest cafeteria in the college. So at least this one place looks familiar to me. Thank goodness. And you have vending machines on this side here with energy drinks, which I don't drink, and chips, pop, whatever. And then on the other side, you have like portable fees where you can get like hot meals and stuff like that. You in that cafeteria here. So this is familiar. Guys, the college is so much bigger and different from the time when I came here. I'm feeling scared. I'm feeling a little nervous, but I'm ready. I think I am ready to take on this new chapter in my life. Oh yes. Us Jamaicans, yeah, we're not afraid. If we decide to do something, I just say go. So even though it's gonna be challenging for me, I'm ready for the challenge. Oh yeah. Well, these are magazines. So it does say 24 to 25 view book. So I'm going to take one of these books and be out here. So I got health service that was there when I was here before. So at least that not gone away, not change. But this is the C building entrance. So this is C building entrance. I'm going back to the parking lot. So this bridge stretch across, go to another facility over here. All that is the college. Yes, guys, so my plan is to go back to school in January. I will be taking the RPN program. A lot of people are saying, why you never go for the RN, but bachelor's degree, but I have so much happening, so much going on at home. So I was just like, no, I don't want to push myself too far because me afraid to fail. So I said, I'm just do the 2-year nursing program because Canada right now needs nurses. So I decided that, well, I need to make some more money, one, and two, it's in demand. So I'm going to go back to school because they need nurses, and healthcare is a good field to be working in. Trust me, it's a good field, good choice. Because there's always work available somewhere. You understand? You're always needed. So I'm very happy with my choice. I will start January 2024. I have the kids and my husband and everybody at home, and so much going into to school, so much, like, I feel a little scared and everything, but I'm just thinking that I'm just gonna put out my best, and hopefully, that is good enough. But I'm excited as much as I'm scared and stuff. I need to go shopping, but I'm gonna wait until Boxing Day, December 26th, to do a little bit of shopping. At least some stuff will be on sale and stuff like that, because I need some sweaters and, like, jogging pants or whatever, stuff like that, and socks. Pretty much that's it for, like, shopping for me. But yeah, and then I think I'm ready. Today I show you guys a little bit of the college. But I have orientation coming up. I think January 3rd or 4th. So I will wait until day I do my orientation, then I will try to do a little video as they're showing me, guys. I will be showing you guys. You guys will be touring with me because I went there in 20. My first time at Algonquin was 2008, and then I did a PSW program, personal support worker, which that's what I'm doing right now. It's like a nursing assistant where you work in the long-term care home with the elderly. At least that's what I do. And then in 2013, I went there and I did pre-health sciences to get into the nursing program. Imagine, that's from 2013, and it's just happening now. But guess what, guys? It's never too late. It's literally 10. When I started, it was 15 years ago, but it was like 10 years was the last time that I did something at college. So, but it's never too late. So don't give up on yourself if there's something you want to go back to school and do. Doesn't matter if you have children or not, or you have bills or whatever. Just try to find a way to help yourself to push forward, to go forward. So that's what I did. I was just home one day and I said, I've been saying I'm going back to school, and it's not happening. And I just got up, went on the site, and said, let me see what the requirements are. Let me see what I need to do. And I did everything, and then afterwards, fill out the application on Ontario colleges and stuff, and then they said you have to do an entry test, and I was like, okay, entry test. The entry test was $50, so I paid my $50 and I booked my appointment, and I went into the test center at Algonquin, and I was like, if you joke, I for like one whole week I decided that I'm just going to study, and I was doing some algebra, and I was like, but I have biology books because biology is like my favorite subject. Like, I'm so passionate about biology, and the biology was like good for me. It's like refreshing my memory because this is stuff I did before and it was really good. Me and chemistry, we don't have no chemistry, nothing. Physics, with me far from that. No, me not have no law when it comes to physics. Me don't know none of the law when it comes to physics. So when I went to do the test now, guys, it was like for the English, you have to read like 2 or 3 passages or 4 passages, then you answer the questions, right? And then you have like math. That was how many math questions? Honestly, I think it was 30 math questions, something like that, and then 60 science questions. Okay, most of it is biology. Lots of it is the second portion of it is chemistry. And then there was like 2 physics questions. It's multiple choices, guys, but I'm telling you, I'm 100% sure that I got the 2 physics questions wrong. I don't know. I literally just look at it, see that it's physics, and just write B, C, because I don't know. I did physics in high school, and it was like an Indian teacher, and I don't mean like Jamaican Indian. It was like they got Indians from India to come to Jamaica to teach chemistry and physics. And the chemistry man threw me out of the class because my first test I got 30 something, 33% or something like that. Because I could understand him, and whenever he was talking, you asked him to repeat, he would get so mad. But the accent was so strong, right? And physics is a very hard subject. So just imagine having a teacher that the language is so, he can't even bother to repeat himself. He was just like, you don't get it, okay, fine, bye. So that was high school. I didn't bother. I got 4 in 60 physics, and I didn't sign me for chemistry. So there goes that. But I did physics and chemistry here in Canada when I did the pre-health sciences. So, you know, I'm not like bad or whatever, come a pass it. But it was just a pass grade, literally. Okay? So I'm like hoping for the best for January. I'm gonna put out my best foot for chemistry and for physics, and I know that's gonna be a part of my course and everything. So yeah, guys, wish me all the best. go go to the table.
Go to the table.
Eat your food.
Eat the food.
Mickey,
Mickey,
are you listening to mommy?
listen to me, Lala.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Mickey, you're driving me crazy. Joe, I'm going back to school. What do you think? Can I borrow your bag?
Are you going back to school?
Mm-hmm. What do you think? Come tell me what you think. I'm gonna go back to school. Is that good? I go to school like you, Joe. So I don't have a bag. Can I take your bag?
Sure.
Sure, just like that. So what are you gonna bring? You're gonna bring an old bag?
Yeah.
That's so nice, Joe. Yeah, so Josiah said it's okay for me to bring his bag because he's gonna wear his old bag from last year. Joe, you're so kind to mommy.
I always let you borrow anything.
Yeah, you make me borrow anything, eh?
Mommy, that's the first time.
Yeah. So my plan is to go back to school in January. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna do that with 3 kids and more to come.
Mommy, which class are you in?
What class? I'm going to college.
That's Mommy's gonna be a nurse.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Who's this girl? Hi, Mickey. You gonna come to school with me? Mm-hmm.
Mommy's gonna be the nurse, so if you're hurt.
Yeah, I can take care of you. You'll be my first patient, Jojo, I'm sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked my video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.